Hi everyone, welcome back to Invisible Indian Investor. So today we are going to see a complete breakdown on my last trade execution. I did stock trading on last Monday, but I couldn't able to provide you an update. So yeah, here I am today. I'm providing you some updates. So if you looked at your portfolio recently, you have seen like sea of red, everything is red. The Sensex and Nifty have been a massive hit in this March, wiping out trillions in market cap. This correction is given by the perfect storm of global headwinds. First and foremost, the escalating geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, specifically US-Iran conflict, that have been like completely rattled global risk appetite. Because of this instability, crude oil has spiked out 110 a barrel, and I think today I believe like around it's trading around 100. For an oil importing powerhouse like India, expensive crude directly translates to higher inflation, a widening current account deficit, and compressed corporate margins. So all this massive selling from foreign institutional investors pulling their capital out and the rupee dropping to record lows near 94.8 against the dollar, and obviously like we'll get a widespread panic. So in this situation only like long-term investors like us, we need to pitch in and we need to average out the stocks and accumulate more in this drop. So let's start with HDFC Bank. So I picked up around like 35 shares at an average of 749. So why HDFC Bank? In any solid Indian portfolio, you will need an anchor like in financial sector. So we already bought Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank, but HDFC is like a massive stock on the financial sector. Massive CASA ratio, exceptional management, track record of economic cycles, like weathering economic cycles. At this price, actually, I see it as a high conviction value buy. Broader market always get distracted by new IPOs, and if you are building a wealth by accumulating gains when they are consolidating, this will be like foundational piece for the portfolio. So that's the main reason I bought HDFC Bank. I believe like once the market settle down, definitely it will come up in a good way. So the next one will be like on the IT sector. You already know I have shares on Tata Consultancy Services. I bought TCS stocks at 2381. Today, if you're able to see the screen, it's trading around 2387. But yeah, I bought it around like 2381. So when the market prices are in short term pessimism on the IT sector, that's when like exactly we need to slowly average stocks actually. And next one, yeah, you already know, it's the favorite stock, ITC. I bought around 85 to 90 stocks, I believe. So ITC is like ultimate defensive stock. Looking at their FMCG revenue growth outside of their core tobacco businesses and fundamentals are incredibly strong. At 290, I think I bought around 290. At this price, like the dividend yield alone makes it as a fantastic cash generating asset for the portfolio. So in times like this, exactly like market volatility, like crude oil and everything, right? These kind of high cash flow business like ITC will act as a shock absorber. So even though the stock is going down, we'll get dividends, and then definitely it will come back when the market performs good. The next one I bought Jyothy Labs. So this stock also we already have in our portfolio. They are like Jyothy Labs has been doing very phenomenal work expanding their rural distribution network. So I bought 100 shares of Jyothy Labs at exactly 200 some price. Like if you check uh, Friday on Monday, like I got it around 200. And While like ITC gives me stability and dividends, Jyothy Labs gives me like mid cap growth. So they are aggressively pushing their market share in the household and personal care segments. Finally, I got TMPV, Tata Motor Passenger Vehicles at 305. I think today, yeah, 305. Yes, today it's trading around 302. So this is essentially like tracking position. I saw like TMPV, which I got earlier, uh, higher price, and I just want to quickly average out. So I just bought this TMPV. So you can currently see my portfolio. It's on red actually. Uh, Mostly like ITC, uh, Infosys, Jyothy Labs, Castrol India. So these stocks are red. And if you see the trade executed, so I have bought all these five stocks: TMPV, HDFC Bank, TCS, ITC, and Jyothy Lab. So yeah, mix of large cap IT, banking, and both defensive and growth FMCG. Everything I bought in this market correction. Building a portfolio isn't like making one massive trade. It's about like making consistent, logical decisions week after week. So now drop it in the comments if you are buying anything on this market correction. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button and make sure you are subscribed to follow the journey. Until next time, keep investing smartly, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.